In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find every slide that uses a specific font in PowerPoint. Maybe you're cleaning up a deck for brand consistency, troubleshooting a missing font warning, or preparing a template for teammates. Whatever the reason, there's a simple built-in tool that helps you quickly pinpoint where a particular typeface appears so you can review it with confidence. Start by opening your presentation, then head to the Home tab. On the right side of the ribbon, look for the Editing group. Click the Replace drop-down and choose Replace Fonts. This opens a small window dedicated to font management across your entire file. It's much faster than checking slides one by one, and it works on text boxes, shapes, and many other text-based objects in your slides. With the Replace Fonts window open, focus on the drop-down labeled Replace. This list shows the fonts currently used somewhere in your presentation. Select the font you want to locate. If you don't see a particular font in that list, it usually means it isn't present in editable text. Sometimes what looks like text is actually part of an image or a screenshot, which won't show up here. Selecting the font confirms that PowerPoint recognizes it in the deck, which is exactly what you need if you're verifying usage or preparation before making design changes. A few quick tips to make this process smoother. If your goal is simply to identify whether a font is used, opening the Replace Fonts tool and selecting the font is all you need. You can take note of the presence of that font and proceed with your review, knowing it appears somewhere in the file. If you're working with a shared template, this is a great way to confirm that a legacy or unauthorized font hasn't slipped in. And if you're dealing with a missing font alert, this list helps you see which font PowerPoint is looking for, which can guide you toward installing it, substituting a standard brand font, or reaching out to your design team for guidance. It's also worth remembering that some presentations combine multiple font variants, regular, bold, or condensed under the same family name. The list treats each family member as its own entry, so check carefully if you're validating specific styles. Lastly, if you suspect a font appears in linked or embedded content like charts or imported PDFs, that text might not be editable, so it won't appear here. That's all there is to it. Use Replace Fonts from the Home tab and select the font you want to find. It's a fast, reliable way to audit your slides and keep your presentation consistent and professional.